Welcome to Small Scale Life.
Hey lifers, how you doing? It's Tom in the kitchen. I'm in the kitchen. But I wanted to show you what we're doing today, so hopefully I can flip the camera here. Otherwise, I'm just going to have to cut and parcel here. So hold on. All right, so over here, we've got food coming up for the Super Bowl for St. Lombardi. It is, what is this, Joel? It's a buffalo...
It is a buffalo white chicken chili.
Buffalo white chicken chili, and I think these beans are for it. Soaking the beans, which is good. And over here, this is a nice little project. Got some berries going, mixed berries. It's not berry season, it's February, but we've got berries going. Crushed it down. We bought the packages at the store. So I crushed them all up. Got a few blackberries that are still in here, but crushed them all up, bringing it up to a boil. Certo has been added to it. Show you what I got here. So the Certo, we're making jelly. So I added one of the pouches. And then we're going to add sugar here in a minute once this boil gets going. And once the boil gets going, we'll add the sugar, bring it back to a boil. And then we've got lids that are warming up. Lids. We've got our jars. So things are popping. It's busy here at the Small Scale Life headquarters. Hopefully you're having a great Sunday. Getting stuff done, learning new skills. All right, everybody. Check you later. Bye.
Please hit subscribe and hit the little like button.